Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to give you a short demo on how I teach mathematics. So this afternoon we're going to measure speed, distance, and time. This demo is intended for grade 7 to 8 students. How do we measure the speed of a car? Okay. I will call on this time the students present in the classroom. So, to measure the speed of the car, we are using compound measures. When we say compound measures, it is composed of two units. We have the distance and time. For example, we measure the speed of a car as kilometers per hour, and we write this as kilometer slash h. Slash here represents per, that means for every. Now, we're going to use the triangle to determine the distance, the formula to find the distance, speed, and time. Now, in this case, I'm going to ask the students to work together as a partner, and they're going to work on the solutions for this one. Let's have the first example. Calculate the average speed of a car, which makes a journey of 200 kilometers in 2.5 hours. Now, in order to solve this problem, you have to ask 3 questions. The first one is to determine what is asked in the problem. This is the first one. Second one, you have to know what are the given. And the third one, you're going to show your solution. Okay? So in this case, what is asked in the problem? The problem is asking us the average speed of a car. Now, what are the given? The given are the distance, which is 200 kilometers, and the time, which is 2.5 hours. Now, how are we going to solve this problem? Now, with your solution, we write the formula first. Always remember to write the formula first. So we have speed is equal to distance over time. And after writing the formula, we substitute the given values. So since the distance is 200, so we have 200 over 5 halves. 5 halves is taken from 2.5 hours. So by finding the speed, we have 200, you get the reciprocal of 5 halves, which is 2 over 5. And proceed. So for this one, we can cancel 200 and 5. 200 divided by 5, this gives us 40. So 40 times 2 gives us 80. It takes 4.5 hours for the train to go to its destination. Okay. Now this time, still with their partners, students will help each other answer the following questions as fast as possible, as fast as they can. So they're going to help each other and answer these questions. How far does an object travel in? So this one, how far? How far, that means distance. So you're going to find the distance. And we know distance is equal to speed times time. So how far does an object travel in 2 hours at 75 kilometers per hour? So this time the students will be helping each other and then write their answers on a piece of paper or in a whiteboard. So the answer for this one is 150 kilometers. So 2 times 75 is 150 kilometers. Now let's move on to the next one. Find the average speed of an object that travels. So you have a cube. You're going to find the average speed. And distance over time. So, let's have 17 meters in 5 seconds. So, what is the speed? So, we have 70 divided by 5. This gives you 40 meters per second. 1.5. 1.5 is equal to 3 halves. Okay? So, 3 halves divided by 1 over 120. This is equal to 3 halves times the reciprocal of 120, which is 1 over 120 is 120. So cancel 120 and 2. We have 60. So 3 times 60. This gives us 180 kilometers per hour. Okay? So that's how we find the average speed of 1.5 kilometers in 30 seconds. Alright, now our next exercises would be to find how long does an object take to travel. So how long? How long means time. So in order to find the time, we have to divide distance over speed. So how long does it take 20 kilometers at 5 kilometers per hour? So you just need to divide distance over speed, which is 20 divided by 5. This gives you 4 hours. Over here we have how long does it take for 1 meter at 40 meters per second. We're going to answer in minutes this time. So how will you do this? Okay. So 40 meters per second, that means to say 40 over 60 minutes. So 40 over 60 minutes. So we can simply simplify this. 4 over 6 is equal to 2 over 3 minutes. So in this case, we're going to divide 1 meter divided by 2 over 3, which is equal to 1 times 3 over 2, which is equal to 1.5 minutes. So 1 meter at 40 meters per second is equal to 1.5 minutes. So in this part of the lesson, I'm going to regroup the students into smaller groups. The paired students will be grouped together again. It could be 4 to 5 groups in the class. And they're going to help each other solve the problem as I show it on the screen. And as soon as they finish solving the problem, a representative from each group is going to go to the board and show their solutions. And I'm going to give points to each group who can give the correct answer. So let's start the first problem. So what's missing is the distance. Distance is equal to average speed over time. So 80 divided by 3 over 4, or 80 times 4 thirds. Okay. So 80 times 4 over 3 is equal to 60 kilometers. Always remember what is asked in the problem, what they're given, and what is the solution. 40 divided by 5 gives us 8. 8 times 2 gives us 16 kilometers per hour. That means to say, if Larry will just cycle for 40 kilometers with a speed of, for 2.5 hours, his average speed is 16 kilometers per hour. Our third problem is, Mr. Smith took 3/4 hours to travel 60 kilometers from town A to town B. He took another 1.5 hours to travel from town B to town C. If his average speed for the entire journey is 96 kilometers per hour, what was his average speed from town B to town C? That's 104 kilometers per hour. That means to say the average speed from town B to town C is 104 kilometers per hour. I've given a lot of challenging questions for the students. I hope they will help each other solve the problem. And now for the bonus points, I'm going to give this kind of word problems for them to solve. And whoever can answer this will have an additional extra points in their class participation.
Alright, so the third part of the lesson is the fun class activity, which I called CTP. CTP means complete the puzzle. So this is what the students will do. So since they already have their group, I will just assign them with a color. Each group is going to answer word problems one at a time. And as soon as they answer the question correctly, they're going to take 5 puzzle pieces and complete them as fast as they can. So this is how it goes. Alright, so we have the board over here and a table. On this table, there are different colored cups with puzzle pieces inside with their corresponding question slips. Each group will have to answer 10 questions. And below over here are the group of students sitting together. Now, each group should have a representative to get a question in front. Okay, like this. So as soon as they get their question, they have to go back to their group and help each other answer the question. As soon as they had the answer, they have to go back and return to me the question slip. If their answer is correct, each group will get 5 puzzle pieces and start putting them together. When they finish answering all the questions and there are no puzzle pieces left, they can now complete the puzzle as fast as they can. So activity, I hope students will have fun putting all the puzzle pieces together. At the same time, learn about speed, distance, and time. So that's all for my short demo, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much.